Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing passion twist, but I want to do the short passion twist in this video. I have already done the long passion twist, and I've already done them without using rubber bands. As you can see, we are using rubber bands. Now I did go ahead and do this off camera beforehand because I needed help and I really hate to part. So yeah, I just went ahead and did the rubber band method. I don't know how many this is, but it took forever. Okay, it took forever. I probably won't do the rubber band method next time just because I do know how to do it without a rubber band and they actually do stay. But I'll put that video right there so y'all can watch it today. I just wanted to say today so I can rhyme and have bars. But let's get started. Like I said, y'all, my hair is already prepped. I have had these rubber bands in for like a week. I just didn't feel like doing my hair yet, and now it's time. So I washed my hair, I deep conditioned my hair, and I added a leave-in, and then I just put 4 plaits in my head, slept in that overnight, and then the next day I just went ahead and put these rubber bands in my head. So this is what we're looking at. So my hair has not been blown out. No heat has been applied to it. So let's just get right into it. This video is sponsored by Harlem 125, and I love their hair. I've used their hair. I just love how they stuff come packaged, you know? Because a lot of these companies, just send the hair however they want to send it. The box be broken, they only send the hair. Y'all, they sent me a card, a mug, the hair, some hand sanitizer, all that. So I'm just very appreciative to work with them again. I love their business. Today we're going to be using the Kimma braid. I think I how you say it, Kimma braid hair. And I got this in a 20-inch in the shade 1B, and this is their Brazilian twist hair. Now, they said that this hair is going to work, and I'm pretty excited to see because I have never used this hair before, so it's gonna be new to you and me. But I got 10 packs. It came in this packaging. Now, yes, I did get 20 inches. However, I got that because we don't know how long it is. If you want to get 14 inches, you don't feel like you got super long hair or anything like that, and you want to just get 14 inches, definitely do that. But as y'all can see, my hair is pretty long, you know, it's definitely gonna stretch out. So I just went with the 20 because I don't want to cut my own hair out. I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair off so that we can start at the back. I think I want them thick. And if you want them thick, you gotta use 3 strands of hair. When I did my last tutorial, I just used 2 strands of hair. But today, we're using 3. Now, I will say I did add oil to my rubber bands. I did add oil to them. And the company did not tell me that I had to love their hair or anything like that. I'm just giving the review on it, tell y'all. So many people be so butthurt about sponsored videos, and I'm just like, sis, how else you think I'm gonna try it for you? I wanna try for you, but y'all gotta give me a little bit of something. All right, so I need to get some scissors so I can cut this off, but look at how pretty this hair is, y'all. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, y'all, so once you get everything taken off, this is what the hair looks like. And so I'm gonna take 3 strands, just like this, okay? So start off with your 3 strands. Now, I like to go ahead and brush my hair out. Like, you can do it with your fingers. I'm just gonna use my Cosmology brush and just kind of like start from the ends, work my way up. Ooh, now this hair combs out pretty easy because the other hair don't do this. So this is what the hair looks like when it's a little combed out. I'm gonna just start out with braid. So I'm gonna make my hair just the middle piece so that it can cover the rubber band, just like that. Because it's gonna create a loop around the rubber band for you to start braiding. And I'm not gonna braid far down because I really don't wanna see a braid. So then split your hair up into 2 pieces and then just start twisting. Fren, I just realized I don't have a lot of rubber bands. That means I need to go to the store before I even continue this hairstyle because I need to get a pack of rubber bands. My hair is still right here, y'all, so gotta keep going. Yeah, these aren't gonna be short at all. I mean, they might be like medium size, but short, yeah, no. not with my hair length. Look how much I got left. So yeah, I definitely needed this 20-inch. All right, so once you get down past your hair, you want to go ahead and just add a rubber band. Then when you let it go, it looks like a nice juicy twist, just like that. And that's the root, the little braid part, but that's fine. You're not really gonna see that. So yeah, y'all, this is what we're looking like. And then all you gotta do is blunt cut it. That's what the look I'm going for, is the blunt cut. Now, you can go ahead and twist it to the ends and then just coil the end, but I wanna do the blunt cut. So what I'm gonna do is just go right beneath that rubber band and pow. Ta-da, watch out now. It's the little one and I'm not bad well. Okay. So yeah, that's cute. That's a juicy twist though. That one is done. So I'm about to head on to the next one. So like I said, we're just gonna keep doing the same thing over and over and over. I'm gonna grab 3 pieces. What they look like. We're gonna brush them out. Just to add some texture. Start off with your hair as the 3rd piece. Braid. And split your hair into 2 and then twist. I got my rubber bands. These are the red by Kiss rubber bands. It comes with 1,000 of them, and these are strong because the other one I had were not strong enough. So these are strong. I'm just gonna put them in a cup and put some oil so that we can be good to go. I've already done these back 3. They look cute. Look how juicy they are. All right, y'all, here are my rubber bands. I'm just gonna add some of this Afro Sheen oil. Just add it in there like that where I go. Make sure you let that get on every single rubber band. No rubber band left behind. Get your 3 strands and continue. Now, I would like to add, y'all, that I did go in with some Shine and Jam for like my roots and stuff when I was putting these rubber bands in. I did put a little bit of that on my hair and then add the rubber band. And if your hair is not acting right or it doesn't want to blend into your twist, then definitely add some more to the hair. I haven't added any to the hair, and honestly, they're looking pretty good. And the hair is pretty tucked, so I don't think I need to add a lot, but if you feel like you need to add some Shine and Jam to your actual real hair, the length of the hair, definitely do so. Especially if your hair is much shorter and it won't blend. So now I'm just gonna put the rubber band at the end, just like we did before, and then cut that thing. All right, I'm gonna stop talking now because I feel like at this point, we're just doing the same thing. So I will talk again once I get to the front of my hair so that you guys can see. So I have completed like the back half. As y'all can see, my little braids start off ain't even that cute, but these all gonna be covered, so it don't even matter. But I love how juicy they are. I made a mistake and laid down on these and went to sleep. So this is the next day, but I did go ahead and put the same shirt back on so y'all can see what my twists are looking like. But I'm gonna show y'all what I started to do because I wanted them juicier. I don't know. I really want them to be very juicy. So I have been using 4 pieces instead of 3 pieces. So let me show you. So what I've been doing, because y'all know I done had some time to get it together. So you take your 4 pieces, and what I like to do, like I said earlier, I'll twirl it around my finger like this so it's nice and tight. And I would just go ahead and brush it out. Like I said, it brushes out pretty quick. This is what it looks like, and then I just untwirl it from my hand, and this is what you get. That right there, okay? So then I take this piece and I start to braid. Now I started by trying to cover the rubber band. So if you can make it as tight as you can, and then just start your braid. This is what I do, y'all. Honestly, I don't like for stuff to be too perfect anyway. So that's where I am. That's my braid. Then I'll go ahead and split this in half like that. And then I like to twist. You'll see the braid. So then you just start twisting. And I like to stay close to the braid up here because I want it to go from a braid to a nice and tight twist. You don't want this to be super loose at first, and then you can kind of loosen up as you keep going down. Now this hair really blended well with my hair, as y'all can see. Like, this is my hair and that's that hair. Like, what? That shit getting lost. It's getting lost in the sauce. So I have just been twisting it down, honestly, almost to the bottom. Like, I'll probably twist about like right here, because this is my hair right here. It's like only a little bit more left. And as you're twisting, it's gonna stretch out your natural hair, so then it end up being longer than you thought it was gonna be. So anyway, just keep twisting and just don't stop until you know for sure that you are past your hair. These are tips for people with longer hair, by the way. I know if you got shorter hair, that may not be an issue. But what we don't want to do is be cutting some hair that we need to be keeping, because I don't have the time for that. A hairstyle is not that serious. I'm not cutting my hair. I ain't cutting my hair. All right, so I just basically try to twist it. I try to twist it to the same length as these bad boys, just to be on the safe side and just to have like a nice clean look, you know? So, I mean, honestly, friend, this might be the easiest tutorial I've probably ever taught y'all. Like, if you know how to twist, you can possibly start with a twist at the root if you know how to do the twisting method. But if you can do the braid, I'd do the braid too. I'd honestly do the braid on all of them except the ones that you feel like are gonna be by the part. I'd probably try to start doing the twist. So I might try to do the twist because I don't want the rubber bands to show at the top. They can show underneath, I don't care, but not at the top. Put the rubber band on, and it's pretty much at the same length. So just take it and cut below the rubber band. Just like that. And there we go. A nice, juicy twist. And I feel like this is a style that I can do all the time. I'm not gonna always do it with these rubber bands. I gotta find a better way of getting nice, clean parts and still not using rubber bands, because I will say it's still breaking your hair off. Even with the oil, it's definitely not the safest. So far, honestly, I've only used 2 packs, y'all. I'm just about to open a 3rd pack. And I still have 3 pieces in that other pack.
Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know.
I don't even feel like these passion twists. At this point, they're just some juicy twists. I ain't mad at it though. I bet it be cute. I better be cute. Okay, I got 1 more to go. I got my 4 pieces. Now, y'all, this hair is so good. Like, it just combs out easily. And I love how it just meshes with my hair. I used 5 packs, and some of these I use 5 pieces. Some I use, y'all, I just been using different sizes. This is basically an experiment at this point. But it's coming out cute. So, I've been trying to hide the rubber band, but honestly, I think I suck at that. I've been braiding it, but I don't know why it's not as hidden. Some of them are hidden, but like some of them ain't. And I don't know what I did. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split this and start twisting. I'm gonna twist close to the root. And see, that worked out. I guess a little bit till you like turn it. Like, oh, it ain't even that deep. Y'all looking that hard at my rubber bands, then oh well. Oh well. Just add a little bit of that jam to the ends if you want to. I just start doing it just because. Just adding it to my hair, both the extension and my hair, just adding a little bit, just to have a little bit of moisture as I'm twisting. I really hate that I couldn't do them shorter than this though, y'all. My hair really is getting long because I couldn't do it too much shorter than this. So to take these out, all I'm gonna do is cut that rubber band, take that thing out, and cut that rubber band at the root. I ain't even gonna try to take that rubber band off. Cut that rubber band, girl. Then just take it and cut it right under the rubber band. That is it, friend. These are the twists that I decided to do. Let me show y'all the back. They're pretty long and they're pretty uniform, except for this one. It's doing some crazy stuff. They look so juicy. This is a cute protective style. Huh. Alright, so I'm gonna put some makeup on, get my life together. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna style them because I'm not finna wear this like this. Come on, sis. This is the finished look. If you do not want your twist to be this juicy, just don't use as much hair. Same technique for passion twist. Just if you use 2 strands, then you're gonna get like a more crinkly effect. But the more hair you add to it, it's gonna just look like nice, juicy twist. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. I love this. I'm gonna show you guys a few different ways that I would wear it. First of all, it's gonna be this. Giving juicy, natural black, a juicy goddess with juicy twist. This what I feel like I'm giving right now. So the next thing that I'll do, I'll take a snappy because I'd rather use a snappy than to use anything else on these thick twists. And I really like half up, half down with this hairstyle. It is so cute just because the twists are so juicy. It's giving. It's giving. That's it. It's giving. All right, y'all. So I like this. This would be number 2. I'd probably also wear it like this, just to the side, like majority to the side, you know. I like it. Y'all, my hair feels so soft. This hair is really, really good. All I used was 5 packs. And like I said, I was using from 4 to 5 pieces each. Like some of them in the back have 3. This is like a 3 right here. But like in the front, I started putting like 4 and 5 strands. So it just made them a little bit heavier so they didn't crinkle as much. But then I put 3 right here and then look at that. Crinkle, crinkle. So if you want crinkle, I would say stick with the 2 or 3 range. But if you want it to look like this, a little bit thicker, a little bit more like twist, I guess, then this is like 4 to 5 of these bad boys. Now I'm gonna have this in for a little minutes, meaning 2 to 3 weeks. It's like half of me is like, oh, I really like these, and half of me is like, this is just different. Like I've never had thick, juicy hair like this. Wow. But anyway, y'all, shout out to Harlem125 for sponsoring this video. Once again, this hair is lovely. It did not tangle, and I have a strand right here. This is what it looks like close up. As you can see, it's just nice. It's silky. It blended with my hair very, very well. And it was just easy to work with. So I had no complaints about the hair. My technique, it's alright, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the rubber bands, they're showing on some of them and some of them they're not. So I have to perfect that for sure. But I just wanted to show y'all because I know as soon as I showed y'all my hair, y'all was gonna be like, I hope you filmed it. So I just filmed it, you know, filmed it. So I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up if you want to see more protective styles from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!